Oh, just a freaking beautiful one today. Oh, I just looked out over here and oh, looky there. Oh, it's just my dog fucking dragging his chain around everywhere. Pooter. Come on. Come on. Oh, it looks like it just frickin' broke. That's good. But yeah, put a shirt on. Okay. I'll go over here and get him frickin' situated. See what the deal is here. Oh yeah, is that you that stinks? Dang, look at that. Well, that's no good. Just frickin' stinks. Relentless. Oh my gosh. But oh, we got a couple things to work on here today. Really don't think I got anything else to burn, but a couple pieces. I'm trying to get this old piano here. It's the last bit of it we got left. A couple little pieces there, but try to get this freaking thing off of there. It's a pretty good chunk of metal. And then, you know, we could probably burn that tree limb there, but for the most part, I gotta go get a couple boards, fix the porch, and kind of adjust this window unit here to where it's not leaking inside the house. And who knows, we may try to fire the four-wheeler again and see if we can get it up and running. Alright, so I guess what we're going to do is instead of buying them pickets that don't last fucking no time, we'll just take that piece of 3/4 plywood there and cut her off. I get 6 foot out of it, and then, you know, it's 4 foot long, so it'll come out into here, and I'll just have to split that picket, and it'll be freaking uneven as shit, but you know, that's what the old lady wants to do, so I guess that's what we'll do. Oh, freaking rights, boys. Got pull this throttle off here. Pretty simple gig. Take your you need a Phillips head for this one right here. So you just pull that Phillips screw, or flathead screw. Unloosen it. Alright. Shouldn't have to take it all the way out. And then we got 5/16 socket. to get in there, and there's a little spring down in there. I don't really know that you can see. This camera's focus ain't very good, and then your deals for your carburetor and your governor up there. You might not have to take the governor off, but you'll have to pull this one and to get the whole spill off there. So that's what. Well, there's the culprit. You can see that it's a front piece that goes there, that choke, it's got a hole on it. That throttle, see right there? The throttle goes through, and it broke off. So all it is 3 bolts, 5/16, and then you'll have a spring that connects here, and then to the back of this throttle linkage. And should go in this hole, I believe. So we'll run down here to the guy I used to buy all my old mowers off of, and I gave him a carburetor yesterday, or a couple days ago. He needed one that was like this. He needed one that was like that, and I had one on this motor right here. This motor's perfectly good, but the freaking starter was taking the teeth off the flywheel, so I pulled it and stuck this is the actual motor that came out of that green Craftsman. And then I stuck this motor in it, and it freaking threw a push rod. If you can see it, I mean, it freaking. So it's freaking dickered now, but I just took all the bits and everything off of it. So we'll run down there to old George and see if he ain't got a freaking throttle linkage for me. I don't believe I got one. I may look around real quick before I drive all the way over there, but I'm pretty positive I ain't got one. Freaking rights, boys. We got my Nuda over here for my throttle assembly. Well, I mean, it's not brand new, but it's new to me. So went out to old buddy's place and pulled this off of a motor he wasn't using. But see there's that hole I was telling you about. So we'll just chunk her on there and freaking while I was in the process of putting that assembly in, freaking spring back there, I guess I kind of tweaked it when I pulled it out, but that freaking spring was giving me hell. And then now the freaking choke McCigarette came off. So now I've got to go through all that trouble. I'll probably straighten this back out because it's freaking bent and everything else. So straighten it back out and hook it back up. I think I still got the freaking battery in here. So you know, maybe I'll try to freaking start her up, see if she'll fire off. But yeah, other than that, you know, pretty successful day today. You know, freaking got the porch all situated, and you know, there's the porch now with the plywood on there. Pretty you know, I mean, fuck, it's fucking better than what it was. But you know, now I got me a more chit to burn. So yeah, other than that, I'll just freaking work on this getting that choke line back on there.